In case you can't tell, we've had a rough morning.
We're going out on our first road trip, our first shakedown test of this thing. We just finished building it. There it all is back there. We don't have room for a lot of stuff. We just crammed her all in here, but it's time to take her on the road.
We are camping Luna White Deer Campground. It is very beautiful. There are a lot of green trees around. We're just by the lake. We finished setting up camp in our van and it was pretty easy. Nice. Hi, cutie. Are you having a good time?
What you working on there?
Making some fajitas.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Using
I
our...
got the chicken all ready and just grilling up, or not grilling, but frying up some veggies.
Cool. So it's taco night, huh?
You know, it's taco night. And it's taco night.
No taco night. What do you think of this campground so far?
This is so nice. I was just thinking as we were walking, this is why we built a van. This is where we get to enjoy our time outside in nature, and it's so pretty. Look at the lake.
So here we are at Luna White Deer Campground. This is our first time here. We're in the Chequamegon-Nick Lake National Forest. We're taking the hike around the lake. It's like a mile and a half. Takes, I don't know, probably half an hour or so. And so far, it's a Wednesday today. This place is packed. Pretty much every single campsite is taken. We got site number 3, which is okay. It's not exactly on the lake, but it's you have a lake view from your place, which is pretty nice. But still, you're only like a 2-minute walk from the lake itself. The price is pretty cheap. It's only $15 a night to stay here, and they have some amenities. Absolutely no cell phone service, but you get water out of the pump. You get the normal vault toilets. It's just fine. For people van camping though, what I would recommend is take one of the tent only camping sites. Those ones usually have direct water access and they're usually empty. So I would really recommend picking up one of those and then just parking your van and then bringing your stuff down to the tent camping site for the night. This lake trail is incredible. If you come here, you absolutely have to do it, for sure. Look at this.
Working on?
I am building our projector screen right now.
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta throw some grommets in this nice blackout shade cloth. We don't have the right tool. It was supposed to come with a little anvil thing that spreads it open real nice. We don't have it, so I'm just like clipping the sides and bending them over and then just hitting them with a hammer. Seems to be holding so far.
Oh,
What's going on up top here?
it's droopy, huh? There you go.
Just realized all the stuff to make the projector work is inside.
Oh. Best of luck to you.
The science is sound here. I think this will work. A lot of cables happening.
Surprise. Are you gonna show a movie?
No.
What?
I'm about to play some Super Mario World. You know, there's something that I've never been able to really do, and that's get all the stars in Super Mario World. I've never made it. I've never gotten all 96. So, that's now the new mission, is, while we're van lifing, to get all 96 stars. Finally beat Super Mario World. I've never beaten it.
So proud.
You gotta start somewhere. day 2 of camping. Kind of a late morning. We didn't have the best night of sleep. We had this like something fall off of a tree and hit the side of our door, and it sounded exactly like somebody pulling on the handle to try to open the door, so it totally freaked us out in the middle of the night. And then one of our picture frames fell off the wall at like 3 in the morning and smashed the glass, and it was, oh, what a disaster. So not the best night of sleep, so we're getting a little bit of a late start today, but we are about to head off and go see what there is to do around here. Maybe go on a hike, maybe go swimming, I don't know.
What?
It's taco night and the feeling's right.
And
Yes, it's taco night. Oh, what a night.
and it's taco night.
Oh, what a night.
Oh, what a night.
Oh, what a
And the feeling's right. Oh, it's taco night. Oh, what a night. We just had a nice, lovely dinner. We forgot to record because, well, because.
Here we are at Luna White Bear Campground. We're taking the little, what? White beer?
What in the world?
I found this. Somebody made this.
Oh, wow.
pretty great, right?
Are you going to take it with you?
No, it kind of itches my face.
Okay, don't. The top middle is a little too tight. Bring it down.
I'm getting backseat projector here.
Well, try to help. A little bit more down. There you go.
It's just some natural folds in the fabric.
Yeah, natural folds.
Natural folds. That's what my fabric science teacher told me.